Hello, this is George Senda, the real, original, official, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy substitutes, commentators, or imposters on YouTube. You should be watching only this channel. Alright, I finally got this to work, and boy, it was a pain in the butt. You have to put these two clips over these holes and then press down as hard as you can, and then it stays together. So now the coat rack is done. What these are for, I have no idea. It doesn't move. And they give you an extra shim, which I don't know why those are, and an extra screw. So now there's a hole there, but I don't see any reason for it. So now we have the coat rack. So now the biggest problem is this thing is a lot wider than I thought it would be, and I've got to find a place for it. So what I think I will do, and you'll see that in a future video, I will move the lamp by the window, and if it will fit there, I'll put it there. If not, I'll put it behind the other CD holder that sits up by the door, and I can hang my coat or hang a bag. And that means this place will be a little less cluttered. When I come home from shopping, I can take the bags when I'm done with them, and I can hang an umbrella here or my hat. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks, 5, 6, 8 hooks up there, more than enough room. And then I could put a bucket or something or a trash can when it's raining to get the water in the umbrella so the floor doesn't get wet. But that took me about 2 hours to figure this thing out. So if you ever wanted the assembly time of this, and this is the Den Haven coat rack. Easy to assemble. Maybe for them it was easy to assemble. It sure as hell wasn't easy for me to assemble. But I got it assembled. 2 hours of work. Alright, this is it. I feel like I could now go fight with lightning spikes or something, a Norse god or something. I don't know. You know, hold this up. I have the power. Anyway, it's done. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or safe, or stay, God, help. Stay wet, warm, dry, cool. I think that wet, warm, dry, cool, yeah, or safe. It's the case may be. 2 hours, my brain is gone. Not that I maybe ever had a brain. I don't know. Anyway, it's done. And now I can figure out where I'm going to put it. And when I come home, I can take my jacket off, my scarf, my hat. It is, as far as I'm concerned, winter. Sorry, I'm having trouble talking. This isn't hurting, but every time my tongue hits it, I have trouble talking. And I can hang my bags from it. And Kathy said, you don't have room for it. Well, I'll find a place. Okay, that's it. I'm done for the night. I got other videos to post. As soon as this thing has power, you'll see all the videos. You'll see successive videos of this, part 1, 2, 3, however many parts there are. I can throw the box away now. But I've always owned a coat rack. I've never had one. When I grew up, we had one on the wall. It was a big kind of armoire thing, and had a mirror and had a seat, and you could put stuff in. You could lift the seat and put stuff in it. Big oak thing. My mother got rid of it. I wish she hadn't, but this is my coat rack. So I have now a place to hang my jacket, my hats, my baseball caps, and it won't look as a little bit less cluttered. Of course, ideally it would get to move out of here and move into a bigger place, but we will see. All right. Have a great night, people. Bye-bye. Okay, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, or people. Okay, here is the coat rack. Here's my hat, my jacket. And on the bottom, my backpack. And I can put shopping bags, and there's room for the umbrella. I will move this somewhere and make some room, but it's right by the front door, and I can just hang everything up when I come in. I could probably put 2 coats on here and a computer bag as well, and that means less clutter, less things hanging around, and me wondering where the hell is my stuff? What did I do with it? All right, so I gotta make the bed. So that's the end of it. The coat rack is done and ready. And of course, I wish I had more room. And perhaps I should, I don't know, move something in here. But the only way to survive in the summertime is have this fan here, because I'm dying in here. Fuzzy loves to sleep on that. But mostly right now she's sleeping on the bed. All right. This is George, Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. And Jerry, stay dry. And if you can't stay dry, cuddle with Mrs. Jerry. Have a great night, everybody. I'm done for the night. But 2 hours of work to get this done, to make it a little bit less cluttered. And I'm glad of it. So I'm going to put my shopping bag up here too when I'm done. And, oh, one other thing. This always falls on the floor. Now my cane has somewhere to go, and it won't fall on the floor and scare the hell out of the cats all the time. So, I think I'll hang that like that. And there's my cane. Okay, bye-bye.